Utumii wa Simu wetwa Tawo Thina Munene ula Wikumbilite Uungamii wa Mitiani vanthi ya Kenya Aineena Kuya Thika Kavindani kala Wakusiia Kuvinguwa kwa container ya Kuia Mitiani. Ovisa Munene wa Knec Dr. David Njengere Niwaweta Kana Muvea wa Kisomo Niumisye Mwamulo wa Simu sionthe iziseni cia kwikia Mitiani kwithiwa Iyosanw'a na kutungiwa ene Mitiani ya mina kuthela ni kana kusiia Ung'ei wa Mitiani ila yendeete Nzei na mauvo.
Aineena sub-county ya Thika kavinda ka Kuvinguwa container ya Mitiani. Ovisa Munene wa Nzama ya Mitiani ya Kenya National Examination Council Kana Knec Dr. David Njengere niwelese kwa tiamio ya Mitiani nundu wa vata muno Kavindani ka Mitiani ya muthia wa mwaka yende. Njengere Wiweta kana thina ula munene ni Utumii wa Simu.
The first rule, and which has been made very clear to everybody, is on the phones. The phones remain our biggest challenge in effective and efficient administration of the examinations.
Njengere ni umbulile kana Muvea wa Kisomo nunenganie valo kuyala Uungamii ya Mitiani kana supervisors ahalimu anene maskulu na hathukumi ange maskulu kwithwa simu sio simbinge na kuiwa vandu vamwe kavinda ka Mitiani nange itisya maskulu kwikala simbingwe kuvikia masama Mitiani kuthela.
We have issued a circular to everybody who is going to be in the spaces where the examinations are being administered that they must surrender their phones. That is including the center managers, anybody who is working in the school compound, whether it is a cook or a secretary or a grounds person or security. Everyone must surrender their phones to the supervisor. All the gates must remain open as the exam materials are being ferried into the school.
Niamathina mambu mbingi la yende. Njengere niwelese kana Muvea unu nenganitendeke muthemba wa helicopter na ngalisia kutetheesya kosa na kutoa Mitiani isio ila ikunikite ni mbua na kuyekeethia vaina mathina ona amwe kavinda ka Mitiani no kana kusiia kulecho tene kwa Mitiani yu Muvea wa Kisomo niwikite mivango no kana Mitiani kalekawa itina wa kila ithangu kuthela.
The other rules remain as we have always said. It is double collection for all the papers. The morning session paper they collect, administer, then they return the answer scripts to the container, they pick the second session paper, and it has worked in the last 2 years. We've been able to secure the integrity of the second session paper so that there has been no early exposure in the last 2 years, and even this year we do not expect any early exposure.
Amanyo ngilima na kenda miongo kenda na dhanza tu miongo mwanza na nyanya ni mama kwika Mitiani wa KCSE mwaka huu muthenyani wa umuthi manyua mayambili ilia na ithangu ya Kisungu paper 1 kwacha na ithangu ya chemistry paper 1 mawiyo usese muvyo ni wiki tweno kana wiki ya Mitiani hii ni ende ya vate mathina vilingi wa mavo Mutongoi TV ndito Meshak Zei wa David.